Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring your iPhone is signed into the Apple ID that syncs your steps. Open the Health app and go straight to Summary or Browse to locate steps data. Once there, tap the steps entry to view daily totals and the timeline. Make sure Health has permission to edit data. Check Health data settings under Steps and confirm sources. You want to act now. This accesses the raw entries you'll remove instead of waiting to troubleshoot syncing later. You now list individual entries with Show All Data to expose each source and timestamp. Once visible, use the Date filter or swipe through the list to find the exact day and time you need to change. This narrows edits and avoids accidental deletions. Tap Edit in the top right or tap a single entry to view details, then select the specific items, manual entries, device records, or third-party app data you intend to remove. This precision prevents losing unrelated activity data. Finish by tapping Delete or Remove on the selected step entries and confirm when prompted. This permanently erases those records from Health. Once deleted, force close the Health app and reopen it so totals refresh and your summary reflects the change. If counts still look off, inspect other data sources, watch for duplicates from a watch or third-party app, and resync those devices. If problems persist, revoke and re-grant Health permissions for the source. Then
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.